If you're not making money from your Instagram Reels, I'm gonna show you the reasons why that might be the case and how to fix it. So if you don't know, Instagram Reels monetization, as of recording this video, is by invitation only. Even if you do have a large Instagram page and you're getting lots of views, there's no guarantee that you'll get an invite, mainly because these invites for monetizing your Reels are typically available for specific countries where this program is actually launching. And I believe that's gonna change over the next few months in 2024, where most likely Meta is going to release specific requirements or criteria that you'll need to meet in order to monetize your Reels. But in order to guarantee that you'll get an invite or at least be able to monetize your Reels, when that happens, you have to do these things that I'm gonna show you right now in this video. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to check if we have ads on Reels turned on for our Instagram account. So what we'll do is we'll go to our Instagram page. We're gonna click on the little three dots and click on settings and privacy. Inside of settings and privacy, we'll go to business tools and controls, and then we'll go to essentially ad placements. And there we can check if we have show ads on Reels enabled. There's a little toggle that you need to move. If it's turned off, make sure that thing is turned on. That way it's telling Meta, yes, I want to monetize my Reels and I want to show ads on my Reels. However, just because you have this turned on, it doesn't necessarily mean that you'll get an invite to monetize your Reels or your Reels will get automatically monetized. Because most content creators could be making these mistakes and they don't even know that they're making these mistakes, not allowing them to monetize their Reels. So I wanna make sure you're not making these specific mistakes that are clearly there. Meta is actually telling you, don't do this, because if you do these things, you will not be able to make money from your Reels. So in order to break down exactly what you shouldn't be doing on Instagram if you wanna make money from your Reels, let's click on see how it works. And we're gonna go and take a look at the list of things that you shouldn't be doing on Instagram. Okay, in this section, you'll see that there's about ads on Instagram Reels, monetization. This section will actually explain the whole thing, but there's a specific section within this page that you need to pay close attention to, because this section breaks down everything that a lot of content creators are doing that is stopping them from being able to monetize their Reels or even getting an invite. Number one is your Reel includes licensed music. So that means if you're uploading Reels with licensed music or music from your favorite artist or something like that, you might not be able to monetize that Reel. Even if it gets millions of views, you might not be able to make money from that Reel. In order to monetize your Reels, you need to upload Reels with your original sound. That means no music whatsoever, and you need to essentially create something unique and original for Instagram. The second thing is your Reel is branded content. So that means you're utilizing some sort of brand or you're promoting a brand, and that typically will not allow you to monetize that Reel. Let's say you're doing some sort of brand deal with another company. They might pay you for that, but you're not gonna be able to make money from the views your Reels get. Next is your Reel is in a language that the bonus program does not support. Like I said, this is by invitation only, and it's only available in very specific countries like the United States, and I think a few other countries. And even in the US, not everyone is getting access. And in this case, it's only available in English and in whatever country is available, the Ads on Reels program. Next, we have your Reel is boosted. So if you are promoting your Reels, let's say you wanna get 10,000 views on your Reel, and you're thinking, hey, if I promote this Reel, it will probably blow up and go viral. That's gonna help me make more money. That's not the case. You will not be able to make money from your Reel. You can only make money from organic views your Reels get. Next, we have your Reel is sharing collaboration with another creator. So let's say you're using the collaboration feature, meaning that you're uploading a Reel, you're tagging another page or another content creator, and your Reel shows up on their page and you're getting all the views. That's perfect for getting reach, engagement and all that, and perhaps new followers. But when it comes to making money from your Reels, you will not be able to make any money whatsoever from that. Next, and this is a really important one, your Reel is watermarked with a third-party platform smart name or logo. It's obvious they're talking about TikTok. I've seen so many different Instagram pages with TikToks being uploaded straight from TikTok to their Instagram page. And essentially what Meta is saying, if you do that, we will not monetize your reels. So you want to make sure if you're going to be repurposing your reels, you want to make sure you're uploading the raw file with no watermark or logo from TikTok. And if you want to remove the watermark, you can utilize several tools. You can just Google remove TikTok watermark, and there's several tools that you can use to do that. Next, we have your reel receive engagement that appears inauthentic, for example, fraudulent views or boosted views. So essentially this means if you are paying to get fake engagement or fake views, let's say you get 100,000 views overnight in a reel and you only have like 2 comments, that looks suspicious in the eyes of Meta, and so they're not gonna monetize your reel. Again, all your views need to be organic and they need to be real people watching your reels if you want to make money and monetize your reels eventually. Your reel is permanently deleted. Let's say you get 100,000 views in a reel and then you decide, hey, I just want to take this down. This is not the type of video that I want to upload, or there's something wrong with the video. If you made any money from that, it's gone. So you might not want to do that with the reel that's making you money. And last but not least, your reel is not advertiser friendly. And that means essentially you're uploading reels with a lot of profanity. You're uploading reels about topics and guidelines that Meta really doesn't like. So you might want to avoid those topics if you want to make money from your reels. And I highly advise that you go and check out the advertiser guidelines for Meta, because it's going to tell you exactly the type of content that is allowed to be advertised on Instagram. And essentially from there, you can see which topics you can talk about if you want to get advertisers to advertise on your reels. So if you're breaking any of these rules, even if you're getting millions of views, you will not make money from your reels. So make sure you understand these things. Make sure that if you do get the invite and you already have a chance of monetizing your reels, if you're making these mistakes, you might be losing out on more money because you are unknowingly making these mistakes. But if you haven't received the invite where you haven't been able to monetize your reels, make sure you're not doing these things, because that might be telling Meta, hey, don't send me the invite because I'm doing all of these things and I'm not gonna be able to monetize my reels. Now, believe it or not, these actually apply for Facebook as well. With Facebook, you can get an invite to monetize with ads on reels. I have several pages that have ads on reels available, and it's actually easier to monetize on Facebook than it is on Instagram, because right now on Instagram, it's mostly just ads on reels, but on Facebook, you can monetize in many different ways. You can monetize with ads on reels, long form video, live videos. You can monetize with engagement bonuses. So there's far more opportunities for monetization on Facebook. However, I do believe that over the next several months, many of those monetization tools might be moving to Instagram as well. As you guys all know, Meta owns both Facebook and Instagram, so it just makes sense that they're testing on Facebook first and then moving some of those features to Instagram. Anyways, I really hope that this video was helpful, and if you guys want to learn more about Instagram monetization, then go ahead and watch this video right here. I break it down exactly what you need to know, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next video.